Hello my dear friends, on this video I'm going to show you how I will install my new speed cable holder. This one is the original one, it's an old one. There's a socket on it. It's socket number 10. The speed cable itself, I can demount it with my hand, unscrew it with my hand. And I'm going to need an Allen key size 5, as you see here on the cam. Allen key size 5. Okay, let me first unscrew the speed cable. There you see it, I prepared it, so it's easier now, I hope. Yeah, demount it. Now I'm going to unscrew the old cable holder. Here it is. It's very loose. It's very loose. Oh, it's falling down. That's the mounting place. This is the package for the new holder. SP Takegawa, part number. I will open it now.